Hello students, welcome back. As you all know, we have read about chapter 1 on equality from Social and Political Life 7th class book. Yesterday we read that every person have equal right and right to vote in a democratic country. And we also read about the Kanta's story and different types of persons, from a common person, common citizen, to a higher person, higher authority officers also. So okay students, today we will start the topic other kinds of equality. Means equality is not a single type, it has various categories. Like as we have read about Kanta's story, Kanta is one of many people who live in democratic India and who have the right to vote, but whose daily living and working conditions are far from equal. Means they have no equality in their working conditions. Apart from being poor, people in India experience inequality in different ways. Let us see what this means by reading the two stories given below. Means it will be clarified after the reading these two stories which are given below. Each of these is based on real incidents in people's lives and reflects the different kinds of inequalities that exist in India. Now, here we can say that India is a diverse country, but it also have so many types of inequalities. Even India is a democratic country, but still now it's not completely democratic, because here peoples are even now facing the differences, inequalities. And now we will start. One of the more common forms of inequality in India is the caste system. Basically, we face the caste system in India still now. If you live in rural India, means अगर आप भारत के इंडिया के ग्रामीण क्षेत्र में रहते हैं, ग्रामीण स्थान में रहते हैं, योर कास्ट आइडेंटिटी, जो आपकी कास्ट की जाति की पहचान है, इज समथिंग दैट यू प्रोबेबली शायद लर्न और एक्सपीरियंस्ड वेरी यंग. एंड इफ यू लिव इन अर्बन इंडिया, some of you might think that people no longer believe in caste. Means we can say that in rural areas people's mind about the thinking about the caste of the persons, but in urban areas and urban India, people don't think about the caste of the people. But just look at these matrimonials shown from a leading English newspaper and you will see how important the issue of caste continues to be in the minds of highly educated urban Indians. Means किस तरह से जो एजुकेटेड, जो शिक्षित अर्बन इंडियंस हैं, शहर में रहने वाले जो भारतीय हैं, उनकी जो थिंकिंग है, माइंड है, which was highly developed about their situations, about their education, about their conditions. And in rural areas we can't see this. Now here we read about the word matrimonials. Matrimonials means commonly married, but if we read it in social science, so sociologists define merit as a socially supported in what is regarded as a stable arrangement, but typically based at least in part on a sexual bond of some kind. Now let us read a story about the experiences of a Dalit. Now let us read a story about the experiences of a Dalit child attending school. And here I recognized you that you have already read about Dalits in the class 6th book. Dalit is a term, is a system in which the so-called lower caste used to address themselves. Means whose person have no right, no equality in the society, they are called Dalits, especially in ancient times. Dalit means broken, and by using this word, lower castes are pointing to how they were and continue to be seriously discriminated against. Means किस तरह से उनके साथ लगातार continuously discrimination किया जाता है, भेदभाव किया जाता है. Now first story is about Om Prakash Valmiki. He is a famous Dalit writer. In his autobiography means Jeevani, Jhuthan, he writes, I had to sit away from the others in the class, and that too on the floor. The mat ran out before reaching the spot I sat on. Means वो अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ के बारे में बता रहे हैं. जब वो स्कूल्स में स्टडी करते थे तो उन्हें सेपरेटली बैठना पड़ता था, सिट होना पड़ता था स्टडी के लिए. समटाइम्स I would have to sit way behind everybody. Here he wants to say that I have sit at the last of the row in the room, in the classroom. Now right near the door means बिल्कुल door के close. Sometimes they would beat me without any reason. When he was in class 4th, the headmaster asked Om Prakash to sweep the school and the playground. He writes, the playground was way larger than my small physique means body structure. Here the boy want to say that, clarified that the playground which he was cleaning at that time, but his body, his physique feature is so small, so weak according to that work, sweeping work, and he could not handle it properly. It means we can say that he can not do that work properly because of his physique feature. My back began to ache. Means when he was doing that work, his back paining. My face was covered with dust. Dust had gone. Now come to the next page. Inside my mouth means his all face is covered with dust. Even the dust is inside his mouth also. The other children in my class were studying and I was sweeping. Headmaster was sitting in his room and watching me. Means all other students are studying in their classroom, but Om Prakash Valmiki son sweeping the floor, sweeping the school, sweeping the playground. And he say, I was not even allowed to get a drink of water. I swept the whole day. Means pura din he was doing that sweeping work. From the doors and windows of the school rooms, the eyes of the teachers and the boys saw this spectacle. Spectacles means funny, means एक मजाकिया तरीके से सभी टीचर्स, इवन हेडमास्टर also see that person, see that boy when he was sweeping the floor, sweeping the school playground, etc. Om Prakash was made to sweep the school and the playground for the next couple of days, and this only came to an end when his father was happened to be passing by. In this incident we can know that Om Prakash was made to sweep the school, we know, and the playground for the next couple of the days we also know, and this only came to an end. लेकिन ये सब इंसिडेंट, ये सब वर्क ओम प्रकाश वाल्मीकि का ये जो स्वीपिंग वर्क था ये फिनिश कब हुआ, एंड कब हुआ, व्हेन हिज फादर हु हैपन टू बी पासिंग बाय, जो बाई चांस वहां से गुजर रहे थे, उन्होंने उसको देखा, saw his son, अपने बेटे को स्वीपिंग सफाई करते हुए. ही कन्फ्रंटेड द टीचर्स, मीन्स his father saw all the teachers by angrily, and then walking away from the school holding Om Prakash's hand, he said loudly for all of them to hear, you are a teacher, so I am living now, but remember this much master, he will study right here, means वो यहाँ जरूर पढ़ेगा in this school, and not just him, और केवल यही नहीं, but there will be more coming after him, उसके बाद भी बहुत से ऐसे पर्सन होंगे like as other students also must be, should be read here. Thank you students. Now second story we will start tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day.